All right, let's jump right into this explainer. Today, we're exploring exactly how Google's new Gemini Omni model is completely transforming generative AI into an unprecedented personalization and profit engine for modern entrepreneurs. We're looking at a massive, fundamental shift here, folks. We're moving away from basic text generation and stepping into the era of a comprehensive, multi-model world model. So ask yourself, as a creator or founder, how can you possibly multiply your brand's presence and output globally without totally exhausting your most limited resource? And that resource, of course, is your own time. It's the ultimate bottleneck, right? You have the vision, you've got the expertise, but you simply can't be in 1,000 places at once. Up until now, scaling a highly personalized brand meant you needed massive teams, endless shoots, and honestly bloated budgets. Well, the answer to that bottleneck lies in Gemini Omni. This is a revolutionary world model that doesn't just awkwardly bolt video generation onto a text engine. It actually natively understands the physics, audio, and visual context of the world in one unified system. We're talking about a staggering 1 million token context window. You can feed it PDFs, video clips, and audio files all at the same time, and it reasons across all those different modalities simultaneously without ever losing the thread. Section 1. The ultimate personalization engine. Let's start with the absolutely crucial micro application of this tech, injecting your unique identity into the AI. You can now drop yourself directly into the action by creating a custom AI avatar, complete with personal voice synthesis that looks and sounds exactly like you. You're building a unique digital brand where Omni flawlessly preserves your identity, your character consistency, and your specific voice tone across every single scene and complex multi-turn edit. It is literally a digital twin of your creative self. Now that you are the brand, here's our roadmap for the 5 most lucrative use cases you can deploy to drive scale and revenue. Scaling global marketing assets, interactive e-commerce experiences, dominating social media shorts, building AI tutor personas, and simulating the physical world. Section 2. Scaling global marketing assets. The first massive application on our countdown is generating thousands of hyper-personalized global marketing assets in just a matter of hours. This perfectly illustrates the shift. We're moving from a really expensive manual production bottleneck to a computational factory. In the old days, taking a campaign global meant months of painful localization and reshoots. With the Omni way, a single creative brief scales into massive localized campaigns effortlessly. Agencies like WPP are actually already using this architecture to release AI-led campaigns at twice their normal speed. But the crucial point here is the ROI. To put this into perspective, look at Advon Commerce. They used Omni alongside VO to process a massive catalog of 93,000 products. They generated these incredibly engaging lifestyle product videos that previously would have taken a solid year to shoot manually. The result? A cool $17 million revenue lift for a sporting goods client in just 60 days. Now that is a profit engine in action.
Section 3. Interactive e-commerce experiences.
Moving right up the scale matrix, we see static product pages becoming dynamic, highly personalized shopping experiences. Retail giants like Macy's are using Omni to deploy proactive AI shopping concierge. Think about it. A customer can upload a photo of a room or an outfit, describe what they want in plain English, and the AI reasons across both that image and the text to deliver hyper-personalized recommendations instantly. It completely replaces those boring static images with interactive virtual try-ons. And hey, these aren't just theoretical upgrades. The business impact is very real. Natura built a cart abandonment bot that reaches out on WhatsApp, and that boosted their buyer conversion by a massive 112%. The Iconic implemented event-based search, so like asking for a beach-themed party outfit, and that dropped their null searches to near zero. Meanwhile, Grupo Casas Bahia saw a 28% increase in revenue per app user. Personalization directly equals profit.
Section 4. Dominating social media shorts.
Let's look at how creators can completely dominate their social media presence through conversational YouTube Shorts remixing. This workflow is incredible, and it's where Omni really outpaces competitors. You just upload a video, type a natural language request like, make the sky stormier, or change my jacket to an 80s suit, and Omni instantly applies that chat edit. Because it natively understands physics and motion, it preserves your underlying composition while seamlessly restyling the visuals. And I know what you're thinking. What about my IP? Well, Omni automatically embeds Synth ID invisible watermarks and C2PA metadata directly into the pixels of every generation. so you remain completely in control of your digital likeness and your remixed content on platforms like YouTube. Your personalized avatar and voice remain your protected intellectual property, even when you're scaling at massive velocity.
Section 5. Building AI Tutor Personas.
Escalating things further, we can deploy these personalized avatars to produce engaging audiovisual educational content. Educational platforms are leveraging Omni to build 24/7 AI tutor personas that actually adapt to a student's individual interests. SubjectClipMod.com is a fantastic example of this. They're instantly simplifying complex text or homework problems through cinematic storytelling. Just imagine a custom tutor persona that doesn't just hand over the answer, but generates a relevant, highly visual video explainer tailored to exactly where that specific student is struggling. The efficiency gains here are just staggering. By slashing video production time from nearly 3,000 days down to literally 5 minutes, organizations like Bethel China are rapidly generating custom, optimized teaching videos for visually impaired students at an incredible scale. What used to be a grueling production pipeline is now a fast, accessible, on-demand generation process.
Section 6. Simulating the physical world.
Finally, we reach the massive industrial scale, driving extreme cost savings in manufacturing through digital twins. Because Gemini Omni innately understands real-world physics, things like gravity, fluid dynamics, and kinetic energy, it goes way beyond just making pretty videos. It can actually simulate physical environments with stunning accuracy. This allows engineers to create digital twin prototypes, testing how products will react to real-world stress without ever needing to build a physical mock-up. Global manufacturing giants like Honeywell are running thousands of these virtual prototypes simultaneously right now on Google Cloud's high-performance computing platform. They're identifying the absolute best possible product designs, running predictive maintenance on virtual factory floors, and drastically reducing their development budgets and go-to-market timelines. So, from creating a hyper-realistic digital version of yourself with a custom avatar and voice synthesis, to scaling your global marketing, all the way to simulating complex manufacturing physics, Gemini Omni really is the ultimate engine for the future of personalized AI entrepreneurship. The tools to multiply your impact are officially here. The only question left is, what will you build first?